Welcome back to our channel KKB Concept. I am back with my new concept, and in this video I will tell you how to remove background in PowerPoint. Sometimes we put a picture in PowerPoint and we want to remove the background, but we face difficulty in removing the background. So we will learn it in this video. And if you want more videos like this with new tips and tricks, so please click on the link below in the description. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and see my video till end. So let's go to our topic. How to transparent the background of a picture in PowerPoint. For example, I have a picture. So let's see how can we transparent the background of a picture. First, we have to click on the picture. Then we have to click on color, and then we have to go for set transparent color and click on the picture. You can see the background of the picture is transparent. Let's take one more example to understand it for a long time. So there is a picture. Let's transparent the background of this picture. First, we have to go for set transparent color. Then we have to click on the picture. You can see the background of the picture is transparent. So how to remove the background of a picture in PowerPoint. Let's take an example to see how we can remove the background of a picture. So first we'll click on the picture, then we'll go to the format tab, and then we'll click on remove background. First we'll select the area which we want, and then we have to click on keep changes. You can see little much of the area is cut. So again we'll click on remove background and then click on mark areas to keep and make a line on which area we want. So and then click on keep changes. Let's take one more example to understand it easily. Again we click on remove background, then select the area and then click on keep changes. You can see the area inside the bat is little much cut. So again we click on remove background, then mark areas to keep, and then we will make a line on which area we want. So then we'll click on keep changes. You can see how we can remove background of a picture in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.